Hey guys, so Samsung Galaxy A8s is technically the first smartphone with a selfie camera in the screen. It was introduced in the three color, later followed by the female edition that had a yellow pink gradient back panel. Now fifth version was launched by the maker in China. It is called Unicorn Edition or Unicorn Pink and is a gradient from baby pink to light blue. The Galaxy A8s is Unicorn Pink is sold with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. On the inside, it is exactly the same Snapdragon 710 chipset and LCD screen with Full HD Plus resolution and a TIL 19.5 to 9 aspect ratio. There are 3 cameras on the back, a 24 megapixel f1.7 main snapper, 10 megapixel telephoto lens and 5 megapixel depth sensor. The selfie shooter inside the display is 24 megapixel.